It is time for Triple Play Saturday Round 3. Now, some of you all, I know you're finished already. Others, you're halfway done. Listen, I don't know what you're doing about this time. Me personally, I'm hanging out with the missus. We're going to shoot out, maybe check out our horse race, and we're going to shoot out and hit downtown Chicago, enjoy some festivities, and just enjoy each other's company. Listen, you all, be careful, enjoy, have fun, be safe. We're going to kick off Triple Play Saturday Round 3. Welcome to Triple Play Saturday Round 3. Now, the name of this watch face is called GR-S1AK. You're going to like this one. I like the design overall, but in the always on mode, for the Gears 3, you're pretty much going to get the full look of the watch face. For the Gears 2, it's going to be slightly different, but to be really honest, I like the look of the Gears 2 a little bit better in the always on display. Now, once the watch face is on, I like the layout. I like the full tilt of where you get your day and your date, and you come down, you do get what looks like a leather background. Whatever it is, I'm liking the look, right? Now, it's an analog watch face, which I like. You do get your battery info, miles walked or ran, you get your calories burned, you get your steps, and you get what is called a pulsometer. Now, I've never used one of these before. Maybe you know a little bit more than I do. Maybe you could tell me about it. But if you could use something like this, here it is. Now, if you want to get out of this, just double tap and you can go right back out. And the watch face is interactive, but I'm liking the look. Very simple, plain, but unique. All right, you all, that's going to be it for Triple Play Saturday. I hope you all are having the greatest time on this Memorial Day weekend. What you need to do most of all is enjoy, have fun, and be safe. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I'm going to finish kicking it with the missus. You all have a great day, and I will see you all at the next one. Take care.